Hey Glam Fam, what's up? If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. By the way, I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Fenty highlighter in Trophy Way.
I just want to show you off, I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
Okay, I already have one eye done, so we're going to go in with this Urban Decay primer and this Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette and the Morphe M200. Going in that pink color, blending it out above my crease. Then using that Real Techniques brush. Then I'm going in with this white milk pencil from NYX to cut my crease. It's the easiest way, and you can make a mistake and you can just buff it out later. It's not a big deal. So easy. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Then we're going to buff it out with that Real Techniques crease brush again. Make sure there's no harsh lines. It's all good. Then we're going in with this Morphe G14 brush just to smooth out that white. There we go. This is such a great brush, y'all. You got to get it. Then I'm going in with this other brush, the blending brush, the M200, and I'm buffing out over where I laid the whites so that, again, everything is seamless with one another. Then I'm using this e.l.f. glitter glue, putting it on this little lid brush. Some brush I don't care about. Then I'm going in with this glitter. It's by Glamour. You can get it online, this white glitter, and I'm going over the white part all the way up through the crease. And I'm just going to tap motions. It's going to stay on all day. There'll be no fallout, trust me. Then I'm going back in the Full Spectrum palette with that beautiful yellow, putting it on my brow bone and inner corner. I figured it wasn't intense enough, so I sprayed and then went back in with the yellow, and there we go. Then I'm going back in with the crease brush to blend all those colors together. Then I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. glitter glue on a smaller lid brush, like a very small detail brush. Smooth out that glue, and I'm going to tap into this beautiful gold glitter. My hair's sticking up. I look like the Little Rascals. Anyways, look how gorgeous that looks. Then bringing that gold glitter on the inner corner as well. Then I'm going in with my favorite Morphe E36. I'm going to spray it, go into that aqua blue in the palette, and curve out, line out my lower lash line, bringing it all the way to the V. That's beautiful. And you can bring it in your waterline as well. It never irritates me. If it irritates you guys, then maybe you might want to use like a pencil. Then I'm going in with this Clinique Easy Liner, and I'm going to make a small wing. Then I'm going on top of it with this, it's called Hey Mr. DJ Glitter Peel Eyeliner by Too Faced, and I felt like it made the black stand out. I love it. Those glitters just look so good on top of that black. Then I'm going in with the Bad Girl Bang Benefit Mascara. Then I'm going in with this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lippy in the color Saturday to match Cardi B's lip on the cover of her album. And that's it. I'll be right back. There I am. I'm all dressed now and ready to live my best life. I love you guys. Peace. Subscribe. I love you.
They talking junk and they think these hoes mad trash. I'm giggling, can let the devil have the last laugh. I'm my own competition, I'm competing with myself.
I told you, I'm pulling up a slice, girl, when you just
I never had a problem, showing you the real me. Hair when it's fucked up, crib when it's filthy. Way before the deal me, shoot to pay the bills me. Comments used to kill me, but never did I change, never been ashamed. Stories stay the same, I make this a lane. Y'all gotta bear with me, I've been through some things. Run for small ass apartments, walking red carpets, pissy elevators, not every dress is tailored. Some real life fairy tale, been the realest shit. I got further than them hoes that I will ever get. And that only goes to show that only God knows. I was on the rose that came from the concrete and the rose. I'm like gold, man, I'm chosen, I'm floating.